Hey everyone, so today is Friday and you may be asking yourself, yo girl, what are you doing filming a video on a Friday? Shouldn't you be at work? Today I took a PTO day and I am taking Dio to the vet, and so I thought I would just kind of go throughout my day and take you guys along with me. So I have been up since 5. And that's just the alarm that my body has chosen because that's when I go to work, and so today is no different. So I've actually been a little bit productive. I went ahead and cleaned up the apartment a little bit. So right now I need to put on just a little bit of makeup and some eyebrows so that people can see what emotions I'm making. And it's currently 8:35 and Dio has a appointment for some vaccines that he needs to take, so we're gonna go ahead and take him there and do a few things here. I also need to go to Target later, but I'll need to bring Dio home, then I can go to Target and run to the bank. I've already stopped at Starbucks. I got a quad espresso with toffee nut, and so saves your girl some money, and you pour your own milk and you just enjoy that day. So what I need to do is just apply a little bit of makeup. Typically on a daily basis, I don't wear any mascara because it burns and I think I've developed some allergy or something. So I'm not gonna wear it because it's not that big of a deal. So I've already brushed my teeth, so let me go ahead and get dressed and fix my hair because it's lopsided, and we'll get ready to go. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we are here. We're a full hour early, so I wanted to be sure, because I've never done this before and taken him to the vet, that if they needed any more time to do anything that we could, and it wouldn't, maybe they could take him early. I wouldn't mind that either. Alrighty guys, so we made it back home. The hour-long wait that we had because I wanted to be early really stressed me out, and I just get nervous when Dio's around other dogs just because he doesn't always act like he is interested. He always seems kind of on a high alert, not like a normal dog would. He seems as if like he's not interested in them, and so obviously I'm going to a dog place. We went to PetSmart and went to like the little Banfield thing there and did his shots. We waited for a while. He ended up starting to bark because some other dog was there and he was huge, so Dio wasn't a fan of that, and so we waited. We got his shots done. They wanted to put us on a plan, but I just wanted to get his shots today. And so he is actually laying, let's see, he's laying down, he's tired, and I'm sure that he's going to be sleeping there all day long, which I don't mind. He took the shots like a champ, and the doctor was very excited for it. The only part that was sad was that he had to get his temperature taken twice anally, and the nurse kept saying, well, if it's in a turd, sometimes it can read low. So that was awkward, funny, and sad for Dio that he had to do it twice. But other than that, he did really, really well. We walked around. He did have he did go to the bathroom in the store, so I had to walk around and try to clean it up, which I'm like, come on, boy, like, you went potty right before you went in the store. So what I need to do now is I need some food because I haven't eaten today, and it's now 11:56. Now that I had some good food, I'm ready to tackle all these clothes. So I'm gonna go watch Harry Potter while I fold everything. And typically, if I'm gonna do laundry and fold some things and I've got a bunch of it, I always put on a movie, and usually Harry Potter is like one of the goodies. It doesn't matter which one I put on, it's always gonna be a hit, and I'm gonna be able to get a lot of work done while still enjoying the movie, because I've seen it so many times, I don't need to watch, so I can just listen and enjoy it. Also, Vans came out with a collaboration with Harry Potter, and a lot of the things look really, really good. Some of them are misses for me, but they look really cute. Are you a Harry Potter fan? Are you gonna buy anything? And what are you gonna buy? So let's get to tackling these clothes and time lapse now. So my camera died when I was putting away the laundry, and so only thing I've done while I waited for the camera to charge has been put away all the laundry. I ate a little snack because I got a little more hungry, and then I edited, like, I got my tags and everything and all my links ready for our patio video. So I'm outside on our patio right now, and I now have a big enough table to use my planner on, so I figured I'd move some of my stuff out and plan. And what's really nice about how we did all of this is that nobody can see what I'm doing, but everybody can hear what I'm doing. So it's just like we're talking to a friend. They don't know if somebody's not out here with me. This is the planner that I use. It's by Happy Planner. I had no idea that there was a world of planners until my coworker brought me to the light, I guess. So what's cool about this is that you can rip open the pages and then write on them, and then whenever you're done, you just stick it back in there so that you don't have to worry. And especially I'm left-handed, so every single time I need to write on this side, I can't because of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of time-lapse this. Since this is my first time, I'm not gonna really show you what I'm doing. I just want to do it, and it's beautiful outside. So I'm gonna work on my grocery list. Alrighty guys, so that is how I spent a day of PTO, and I just spent it with my dog, and I think that is the best day I could have had. And so he is feeling good and he's healthy, and that's all I can ask for. So if you guys did enjoy this video, then be sure to like it and comment down below if you have any suggestions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.